In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up automatic replies in Gmail. So if you're going away on holiday and you want to set up automatic replies, then you can do this really easily just by heading over to the Gmail application, clicking on the settings icon in the top right hand side, and then select See All Settings. Now from the settings, make sure you're on the General tab, and then we can just scroll down until you see this automatic vacation mode. So once you've found the vacation responder, make sure to turn this on by clicking Vacation Responder On, and then go and select the date that you want this automatic reply system to start. So I'm just going to be selecting today's date. Then you can go and enter a subject and a message that will automatically reply to people when they email you. You can also choose to select a last day as well. So if you're going on holiday, then you can just enter your holiday dates. And then finally, we can decide to only send this reply to people that are in our contacts, or if you leave this unchecked, it's going to reply to everyone that sends you an email. So once you're happy, just click on Save Changes, and you can see at the very top, we now get this away message. And if you ever want to turn this off, you can just click on End Now. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.